Hi. As you already knew, the EVO-ALL can be used as a standalone remote starter by triple locking with the OEM remote. But now we just add a new feature that the EVO-ALL can be used as a standalone alarm system. So you set your EVO-ALL to standalone remote start and standalone alarm system. It will do both at the same time. We've got some guides on ifar.ca that we can use. You can add a dual shock sensor, you can add a siren, or you can plug it on the horn. You can even use it with an RF kit. So, close the door, arm the system. And there is no OEM alarm on that vehicle. All right.